Hello friends. Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of advanced research tools. Today, we are going to talk about something very interesting and revolutionary. It's a new tool that can change how we do research, making it faster, easier, and more efficient. This incredible tool is called Perplexity AI's Deep Research. Have you heard of it? Imagine this scenario. You need to find information for your work or studies, and you need it quickly. You want something that can give you answers almost instantly. And you want those answers to be accurate, comprehensive, and reliable. That's where Deep Research comes in. It's designed to meet all these needs and more. This tool is a game changer in the field of research and information gathering. It can search, read, and understand information just like us, but with the speed and efficiency of a machine. Imagine being able to compile a detailed report in just a few minutes, something that would normally take hours or even days. In just a few minutes, you can have a detailed report on any topic, complete with all the information you need. So, if you're tired of spending hours searching for information, Deep Research is the perfect solution for you. Let's dive deeper and learn more about this amazing tool and how it can transform your research process. Now you might be thinking, there are already tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini. How is Deep Research different? It's a valid question. Deep Research is in a league of its own. It doesn't just give you a list of links like Google. It goes deeper. It reads through hundreds of sources and understands the information. Then it presents it to you in an easy-to-understand format. Compared to ChatGPT, Deep Research is much faster. ChatGPT can take a long time to generate responses. But Deep Research delivers your results in just a few minutes. It's like having a super-fast research assistant at your fingertips. Let's take a closer look at what makes Deep Research so special. This innovative tool is designed to revolutionize the way we gather and analyze information, making it an indispensable asset for anyone who values accuracy and efficiency. One of the best things about it is how easy it is to use. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, allowing even those who aren't tech-savvy to navigate it with ease. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about a topic, Deep Research makes the process straightforward and enjoyable. You simply type in your question, just like you would on a search engine. The simplicity of this step cannot be overstated. It's as easy as asking a friend for information, but instead, you're tapping into a vast reservoir of knowledge. But that's where the similarity ends. Unlike traditional search engines that rely heavily on keyword matching, Deep Research goes a step further. It employs advanced AI algorithms to understand the context and nuances of your query. Deep Research doesn't just look for keywords. It delves deeper, analyzing the context and semantics of your question. This means it can provide answers that are not only accurate but also highly relevant to what you're actually looking for. It understands the meaning behind your question. This is achieved through sophisticated natural language processing techniques that allow the AI to interpret and respond to queries in a way that feels almost human. This means you get more accurate and relevant results. No more sifting through pages of unrelated information. Deep Research brings the most pertinent data right to your fingertips, saving you time and effort. And the best part? You get all of this in a well-structured report. The information is organized in a way that makes it easy to read and understand, with clear headings, subheadings, and summaries. No more jumping between different websites and trying to piece together information. Deep Research consolidates everything you need into one comprehensive report. But wait, there's more. You can even export these reports as PDFs or shareable links. This feature is incredibly useful for those who need to present their findings or collaborate with others. This makes it super convenient for students, professionals, or anyone who needs to share their findings with others. Whether you're working on a group project, preparing a presentation, or simply sharing information with a colleague, Deep Research has got you covered. And the convenience doesn't stop there. Deep Research is also accessible on mobile devices, allowing you to conduct research and access your reports on the go. This flexibility ensures that you can stay productive no matter where you are. Additionally, the platform offers a range of customization options. You can tailor the reports to suit your specific needs, adjusting the layout, adding annotations, and even integrating other data sources. With its alert system, Deep Research keeps you updated on new information and developments related to your queries. This ensures that you are always in the loop and never miss out on important updates. In summary, Deep Research is a powerful tool that combines ease of use, advanced AI capabilities, and comprehensive reporting to provide an unparalleled research experience. It's the perfect companion for anyone looking to make informed decisions based on accurate and relevant information. Now, you must be wondering how much this amazing tool costs. With all the features and benefits it offers, it's natural to think it might come with a hefty price tag. Here's the good news. Deep Research is free to use? Yes, you heard that right. You can access this powerful tool without spending a dime. Perplexity AI believes that everyone should have access to high-quality research tools, regardless of their financial situation. This commitment to accessibility ensures that students, professionals, and curious minds alike can benefit from the vast resources available. To make this possible, they offer a free plan with a limited number of daily queries. This plan is perfect for those who need occasional access to research tools without any financial burden. But what if you need to use it more frequently? No worries. They also have a Pro subscription plan designed for power users. For a small fee, the Pro plan gives you unlimited daily queries. This means you can dive deep into your research without any interruptions or limitations. It's a small price to pay for the amount of time and effort it saves you. Imagine having the ability to access a wealth of information at your fingertips whenever you need it. And the best part? Deep Research is accessible from anywhere. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, you can always rely on this tool to provide you with the information you need. You can use it on their website or through their mobile apps, which are coming soon. This means you can continue your research seamlessly across different devices. So, whether you're a student working on a project, a professional conducting market research, or just someone with a thirst for knowledge, Deep Research has got you covered. With its accessibility and affordability, it truly is a game changer in the world of research tools. Section 5. Performance that outpaces the competition. Deep Research doesn't just talk the talk, it walks the walk. This tool is built on cutting-edge AI technology. It uses advanced models to understand and process information better than any other tool out there. In fact, Deep Research has consistently outperformed its competitors in benchmark tests. It's faster, more accurate, and more efficient. This means you can trust it to provide you with the most reliable information available. And because it uses open-source models, it's also more cost-effective. This allows Perplexity AI to offer this amazing tool at such affordable prices. It's a win-win for everyone. Section 6. The story behind Perplexity AI. So, who are the brilliant minds behind this game-changing tool? Perplexity AI was founded by a former OpenAI researcher, Aravind Srinivas. He had a vision to make expert-level research accessible to everyone, and he's not alone on this mission. Perplexity AI has received substantial funding from tech giants like Jeff Bezos and NVIDIA. This shows the immense potential and trust in their vision. They are also in talks with companies like TikTok to integrate Deep Research into their platforms. This will make it even easier for people to access and use this incredible tool. Section 7. Navigating legal challenges. Like any innovative company, Perplexity AI has faced some legal challenges. Some news organizations have raised concerns about copyright infringement, but Perplexity AI is committed to addressing these concerns responsibly. They are actively working on implementing revenue-sharing agreements with publishers. This will ensure that content creators are fairly compensated for their work. Perplexity AI believes in supporting a healthy and sustainable information ecosystem. Section 8. A glimpse into the business model. Perplexity AI operates on a freemium business model. This means they offer both free and paid versions of their tool. The free version provides basic access to Deep Research. It's perfect for casual users or those who want to try out the tool before committing. The Pro version, on the other hand, unlocks the full potential of Deep Research. It gives you unlimited queries, access to more advanced features, and priority support. Perplexity AI also offers custom enterprise solutions for businesses with specific needs. Section 9. The future of deep research and democratized knowledge. Perplexity AI's Deep Research is more than just a research tool. It's a step towards democratizing knowledge and making information accessible to everyone. With its intuitive interface, powerful capabilities, and affordable pricing, it empowers individuals, businesses, and institutions to make more informed decisions. Whether you're a student working on a research paper, a professional analyzing market trends, or simply someone who loves to learn, deep research has something to offer. So, what are you waiting for? Try it out today and experience the future of research.